Alright, I'm back at this safe. I was so excited about all them coins and everything that I didn't open that door. The key's in it. So I'm going to open that one with you guys and see what's in there. Yeah. Yep. Good. Money bag. The hell? Bunch of keys. Alright. Nothing great. Alright, one more. That one feels heavier. Oh, that zip ring even hooked in nothing. Oh, yeah. Alright. We just hit jackpot again. I don't know how many's there. Not as many as in the other deal, but still nice coins. Nice coins. Alright, I just wanted to do that. Now I can pack up. We found more. The safe was loaded. I'm happy. Please subscribe. Thanks.